Hi, I'm Kirk Catt with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, where we are celebrating over 50 years of representing the best builders and the top clients in the Tri-Cities. This weekend, we have several open houses going on with both new construction and resale, and I'd like to invite you to join us. Watch this short video that'll tell you the addresses of each of those open houses. Have a great weekend, Tri-Cities. We're in between haircuts, so this is going to be the bushy.
You know what? I almost didn't recognize it.
I did the TV thing this morning. I think that's what started me off, just not enough sleep. You don't just get this one rolling out of bed. You got to put it all together in a package. It's just so boring, even my microphone went to sleep. Getting longer and the bam.
And the yep.
Transition from that statement to that statement.
Good, I like that.
All right.
All right, round up.
You're going to want me to do it again, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
As we show them off to our clients that really need to buy them and would love to spend a lot of money.